Hello friends, good evening. This is your friend Sunil Sangamnerkar welcomes you on the wonderful world of Sangamnerkars. I hope you all are very well with your family, with your friends, in your society, and you are taking all the cares whatever has been prescribed by the medical departments, government bodies and local authorities to ensure that you doesn't attack by the virus corona. This corona has changed our life like anything. It has brought so many new dimensions. It has brought so many new life disciplines which were not there earlier. Some of them are really worth appreciating and worth following for the rest of our life, like cleanness, like wearing a mask, like keeping a social distancing with the people. These all are good habits which even Chinese and Japanese were using since last so many decades. But now we as an Indian have started following that. Coming back on subject, today I just wanted to talk to you on one very important aspect of human life. It's nothing but the empathy. Empathy with your professional colleagues, empathy with your family, empathy with the society. Many a times we feel on our workplace that a boss always talk like a boss with his subordinates. Most of the time his tone is so directive, so authoritative, so strong into the versions that employee understands that yes, he's a boss. In my earlier video also, I spoke once that does only bossing means a loud voice? Does always a bossing means authoritative approach? Does bossing means always an instructive way of discussions with subordinates by which even everybody can understand that who is a boss and who is subordinate? No friends, the things are changing very rapidly. At a workplace, employees always need a person who is very empathetic with them. Most of the time he behaves like an elder brother to them. In their moments of worries, he comes and put his hand on the shoulder of his subordinates. On the moment of happiness, he dances with them. On the moments of sadness, he cries with them. Many times I see the conversation between subordinates and the bosses. You know, I was just listening one very good career management professional. He told me that bosses very rarely use the word please and kindly. They very rarely use thanks and sorry. Many a times, even if they have to take some work from the people, they talk so authoritatively. But if they could use kindly do it for me, can you please do it for me? I'm really sorry for what it has happened, or it was my mistake that I given this type of decisions on that matter. Believe me friends, by talking in this term, no employee will take you for granted, no subordinate will take you for granted, but your value will increase like anything in his eyes. Kindly let us start treating people as people. Let us start treating employees or subordinates or the people who are working under us as a human being first, then as a subordinate. Life will become really beautiful. This pandemic has taught us that we all have come with a very limited talk time. Our all prepaids have already been made. What is the use of just showing our muscle power to the other person? Even we are not confident up to what time the muscle power will be with us. Last time also I told you, raise the voice of your discussions. Raise the voice of your discussions only when it is needed. Otherwise, on all the times, the standard of your thoughts and standard of your views and standard of your directives has to speak. Friends, Please, let us change our behavior for the people. Let us change our approach for the people. Let us change our way of talking for the people. Let them feel when they go back home that today they have worked for somebody. Let them feel that today their day was very important. Let them feel that they have danced in office. Let them feel they have enjoyed in office. We all are knowing. Already there are problems. Already there are many things which are not in our hand. You never know what the person would be having in his mind, through what type of problems he would be facing on his personal level. If we cannot decrease his problems, let us ensure at least that we don't increase his problem. Friends, it is very easy to give a motivation to the people. It is very easy to encourage the people. It is very easy to elevate them to the next level. And just by our discussions, if we could nurture the life of some individual to the next level, then believe me, that is the best thing we are doing. And that is the best thing for a society, that is the best thing for God, that is the best thing for human we could do. Thank you so much, friends. I hope we will definitely try to change our approach towards the people, our philosophy towards the rest of the society, and our philosophy for the people who belongs to us. God bless you all. I'll see you once again very soon with another small, crispy but very creative topic. Till then, it's goodbye, good night, and take very good care of yourself. Thank you so much.